Many of us probably had a rude awakening this morning as that windstorm rolled across parts of eastern Nebraska and western Iowa, including parts of the Lincoln and Omaha metros. Here's a radar loop of that, kind of moving from the York-Seward vicinity across the northern Omaha metro and then continuing off into Iowa. Look at these severe level wind reports that we have seen. Each of these little icons is either damage or a measured wind gust, just blanketing the area from that cluster of thunderstorms as it rolled across the area. Dozens of storm reports. And this storm went a long way. It actually started way back in eastern Colorado, rolled across northern Kansas and then into Nebraska and dissipated in northern Iowa, about a 500-mile track from this storm. But it was at its most severe in eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. The lightning out of this was incredible out there. One snapshot, we saw about 2,000 lightning strikes within 10 minutes from this storm as it rolled on through. That's what created that strobe light effect this morning. We also had some very heavy rain as well, 2 to 4 inches of rain from this swath as it rolled across the northern and western parts of the Omaha metro. And then, of course, came the wind. We had a swath of 70 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts. The red showing that swath of 80 mile per hour winds from Lancaster County into Saunders, Douglas, and into Washington counties. It's truly one of those storms that will go down in the record books across eastern Nebraska.